Yeah, hold on a second. I'm looking at the menu.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
6-piece chicken nugget, right?
Me.
What?
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Yes, is it 6-piece chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets?
4 pieces nuggets?
Yeah.
Do we have a chicken nuggets? I don't know.
Please, don't offer me anything. I'll tell you what I want.
I'm sorry, we don't have a chicken nugget.
Shut up and listen to my order.
Yeah, but we don't sell chicken nuggets. I'm sorry.
Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away.
Hello?
Put 2 of them up your ass.
We don't have chicken nuggets. I'm sorry. We don't sell that.
And give me 4 chicken McNuggets.
I'm sorry, we don't sell chicken nuggets. We have no more chicken nuggets.